will probably be at the same time as Finland by being accessible to the most.
Sound like a zombie. Let's put that one on YouTube.
With through 200 miles probably it was the local news or the national news. And of course, when his murder isn't, when Peter's murder doesn't make front page news, in fact, isn't even reported upon, Ireland takes it upon himself to do two things. First, he phones and secondly, he phones some newspaper